Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about pound index and pound pairs. So let's get started. This is a pound index chart I made. As you can see here, let me remove this panel from here, the recording panel. Alright, so this is on the 15th. See the price here, there's a beautiful harmonic pattern XABCD, that's called butterfly pattern, ending at 127% extension level. So I made this chart that this is a retracement, and this is what I call ending butterfly. Okay, ending butterfly, it's either up or down, bullish or bearish, but after it ends the move usually, and like retracement or extended move, it ends and the price reverses. So that's what it is, ending butterfly at this level. And I said we're gonna bounce at least. First target usually is TL, second would be this high, third would be breaking this high and going all the way to the upside. So what happened to this chart? Okay, let's get started. This is what happened so far as of today on the 20th. Now notice that what I have written here on top of the chart, that see, butterfly pattern is in place. This will make pound strong and may send pound pairs up. I said pound pairs, all pound pairs, excluding one only, because only one pair pound is on the right hand side, and when pound gets strong, that pair goes down, and which is euro pound. Other than that, every single pair pound is always on the left hand side, so they all go up when the pound gets strong. So that's what I wrote down here, right? And this is what happened. So obviously pound pair has to go up, and if I had to do anything, I would be taking long, right? So let's see what did I do based on this chart only. Okay, so this chart was on the 15th, which was Friday. All right, and then Saturday comes on the 16th, and then 17th, Sunday market opens up. First trade on Sunday, which the entry was on Friday basically. Based on that chart, I made an entry here. It was on Friday, and when market opens up, it opens up with the gap, nice trade, nice pippage, 90 pips. I was positive, and as soon as the market opens up, I saw it and I closed it. So on the 17th, pound USD first trade. All the trades based on pound pairs and pound index, and they will be all pound pairs. So pound USD first trade on the 17th. Pound Aussie on the next day, 18th, 17, it was starting from here, and then down the road it gave me the entry here. This was an entry, this was an entry, and went up. On 18th, pound Newsy, this was a beautiful entry. I didn't take this one, but this is the one that I took. And you can see here, right? And this was another entry. I'm just showing the entries, but it wasn't taken. This is the one, and it went up 110 pip. All pound pairs, remember, pound Newsy, this is the one. Now on the 19th, pound USD, the first one you saw that I closed here, right? And it went up a little bit and dipped a little bit, and another entry. This indicated all the way down, going up, coming out, and I knew that the pound index powerfully going to the upside. So this will work out, and this will work out again for 130 pip more. Okay, pound USD on the 19th. On the 19th, this is pound yen, doing the same thing, but you see this in here. You cannot see my trade, live trade, because what happened is that somehow accidentally or whatever, I wasn't thinking what I was thinking. I don't know, I don't remember, but somehow the TP was here. So you see this arrow here and this dotted line, and then again this arrow here. So that was my entry was here, and the trade TP got hit, and before I made the chart, the trade was closed. So when I came back, I says, oops, the trade was closed somehow. I wasn't going to close it if I would be there, because I knew that pound is very strong, and then it keep going to the upside. All right, so this is what happened here on pound yen on the 19th, and the last one is this pound Newsy. This is the same entry, same trade, which I showed you the first one up until here, and then I had it continue going to into the 19th, and it went up more, like 100 pip more, or maybe first was like 100 pip, and then again 65 pip more. So this is how and you see I have other trades so far. You know, Euro Aussie I have, Aussie Yen I have, which I'm not even showing here, right? I'm just showing you that how only one index setup in one index chart, pound. Now I have right now yen index is setting up, right? And I made the chart and I sent out to my subscribers already. And if that moves in my direction, I will have 6-7 trades, all yen pairs without any problem, just like this one. Okay, so because it's all because of this chart, 40-minute chart, pound index, and I wrote down here everything. This is not that, you know, I'm doing it after, right? Butterfly pattern is in place. This will make pound strong and may send pound pairs up. And this was on 15th, and then, you know, this week started on 17th. Since 17th, all pound pairs I've been trading, and this is what happened to this pound index. So far it went up, and now I closed everything. All those trades are closed, and now I'm waiting for yen to move up, you know. And the last week I was like, you know, it's one of these currencies, you know, either Aussie. If Aussie start moving, then you have Euro Aussie, pound Aussie going up, and Euro, you know, USD, Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, they all move. So you can open trade in all of them, or just stick to whatever you like. But this is the beauty about this index, man. If you can catch the move in the index, you have so many trades in hand. You can literally pick and choose. I just trade all of these pound USD, pound Aussie, pound Nuzi, and pound Yen. I trade 4 of these pairs, right? And you have some more, but you know, really you don't need that. You only need 2 or 3 pairs which you really know, which you really love, and stick to that. And with the help of index, just, you know, do your analysis that, okay, if index is going to get strong, this is what's going to happen to these pairs. And if you see that is what is happening, don't hesitate. Just open the trades and, you know, hold on to them. Holding on to them is another key. You need to learn when to close the trade. Don't close it without any clue that, you know, yeah, 30-40 pip, oh, it's enough, just close it. No. You see me holding the trades because the weekly chart analysis tells me that where is the next level, and every pair has its own daily range. So until the range is finished, or at least you get close to the range, the trade is going to go in one direction. So if the range is 150, you're not supposed to close that even 90 or 100 pip, because it has more to go for the day. Okay, so this is it for now. Today is Wednesday. I still have tonight, tomorrow, Sunday, Thursday, and then Friday, and then I'll make another video for weekly recap for all of the trades, including pound and yen and Aussie and all that. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the week.